For centuries, spirituality and science have explored the universe, each seeking to understand the invisible forces that shape our reality. Both, in their distinct journeys, have revealed fascinating aspects of the cosmos. Spirituality, with its ancient wisdom, delves into the realm of the invisible, seeking meaning in the cosmos. It invites us to contemplate the universe with an introspective and reverent gaze. Science, with its empirical approach, unravels the mysteries of the physical world, revealing the elegance of natural laws. It provides us with a detailed and precise understanding of the forces that govern matter and energy. Today, a bridge is being built between these two seemingly disparate domains. This union promises a more holistic and integrated view of reality. Quantum physics, the study of the universe at its smallest scales, is revealing a reality that echoes the fundamental principles of spirituality. It shows us that the universe is far more mysterious and interconnected than we ever imagined. It speaks of interconnectedness, energy, and the power of consciousness. These concepts, once confined to the spiritual realm, now find resonance in scientific discoveries. At the heart of quantum physics lies the surprising discovery that matter, the very fabric of our world, is not solid and unchanging as it appears. Instead, it is dynamic and full of potential. Rather, it exists in a state of potential, a constantly moving sea of possibilities. Each particle is a temporary manifestation of an underlying field of energy. Subatomic particles, the building blocks of everything we see and feel, exist as both particles and waves. They behave in ways that defy our classical intuition. They are not bound by the rigid laws of classical physics, but dance to the rhythm of probabilities. This quantum behavior is a cosmic dance of possibilities. Like the ancient mystics who spoke of a universe woven from dreams and desires, quantum physics reveals a reality that is fluid, dynamic, and intimately linked to the act of observation. Observation itself influences the outcome. This dance of creation, this interplay of energy and information, resonates deeply with spiritual teachings. It reminds us that we are part of a larger, interconnected whole. The concept of a fundamental energy, a life force that animates the universe, finds its parallel in the quantum field. This field is the ground of all existence. This field, a limitless sea of potentiality, is not empty but teems with energy, constantly fluctuating and giving rise to particles and waves. It is the source of all creation. It is a field of pure possibility, a canvas upon which the universe is painted. Every event, every particle is an expression of this infinite potentiality. Just as spiritual traditions speak of a universal consciousness that permeates all things, quantum physics suggests that the universe is not a collection of separate objects, but a unified field of interconnected energy. Everything is interconnected in a cosmic web of existence. The interconnectedness revealed by quantum physics is not just a theoretical concept. It is a window into a deeper understanding of the nature of our universe. It is a fundamental property of the universe that challenges our traditional perception of separation. Experiments have shown that particles, once entangled, remain connected no matter how far apart they are, as if sharing an invisible bond. This interconnectedness, this intimate relationship between seemingly separate entities, mirrors the spiritual principle of unity, suggesting an underlying harmony. It suggests that we are all part of a grand cosmic tapestry, interwoven by invisible threads of energy and information, forming a unified whole. Just as the beauty of a tapestry lies in the interconnection of its threads, the richness and diversity of our universe arise from the interconnection of all things, both great and small. This concept of interconnectedness extends beyond the physical realm, permeating all aspects of existence. Just as particles are entangled in a web of relationships, our thoughts, emotions, and beliefs are also interwoven into the fabric of reality, influencing and being influenced. Ancient spiritual traditions have long emphasized the power of thought and intention, recognizing that our inner world shapes our outer experience, creating a continuous dance between mind and matter. Now, quantum physics is providing a scientific framework for understanding how this might be possible, bridging the gap between science and spirituality. The quantum field, this boundless sea of potential, is not indifferent to our presence, but rather responds in subtle ways. It responds to our thoughts, our feelings, and our beliefs, reflecting the depth of our connection to the universe. Our consciousness acts as a filter, collapsing the wave function of possibilities into the reality we experience, shaping the world around us. Just as a gardener cultivates a garden, we participate in the creation of our reality through the choices we make, the thoughts we nurture, and the emotions we allow to flourish, each action contributing to the grand mosaic of existence. One of the most intriguing and mysterious aspects of quantum physics is the observer effect. This fascinating principle states that the act of observation directly influences the behavior of quantum systems. Simply by observing a quantum system, we can alter its state, collapsing the wave function of possibilities into a single concrete outcome. This profoundly challenges the classical view of an objective reality that exists independently of the observer. Instead, it suggests that we are not merely passive observers of reality, but active participants in its ongoing creation. The observer effect has profound and far-reaching implications for our understanding of consciousness and its role in shaping reality. It suggests that our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations can, in fact, influence the world around us in subtle and significant ways. This is not to say that we can magically manifest anything we desire instantly. Rather, it suggests that our inner world, our consciousness, is intimately connected to the outer world, the realm of matter and energy. By shifting our thoughts, beliefs, and expectations, we can influence the probabilities of certain outcomes, subtly shaping the reality we experience. This concept resonates deeply with spiritual teachings that emphasize the power of intention, prayer, and mindfulness. When we approach life with a clear intention, when we cultivate positive thoughts and emotions, we align ourselves with the creative power of the universe. This is not about denying the existence of challenges or difficulties which are an inevitable part of life. It is about recognizing that we have a significant role to play in shaping our experience, even amidst the uncertainties and complexities of life. Quantum physics also sheds light on the nature of consciousness itself. While classical physics views consciousness as an emergent property of matter, a byproduct of complex biological processes, quantum physics suggests that consciousness may be more fundamental. Some physicists propose that consciousness may be a fundamental property of the universe, just like mass or energy. This radical idea challenges the traditional materialist worldview, which posits that matter is the primary reality and consciousness is merely a secondary phenomenon. Instead, it suggests that consciousness may be the ground of being, the canvas upon which the universe is painted. Just as the quantum field gives rise to particles and waves, consciousness may give rise to the material world as we know it. This resonates with the spiritual understanding of the universe as a projection of consciousness. Many spiritual traditions describe the universe as a dream, a thought in the mind of God. Quantum physics, with its emphasis on the role of the observer, offers a scientific framework for understanding how this might be possible. It suggests that consciousness is not separate from the universe, but is an integral part of its very fabric.